Hi everyone, this is Keely with Toyota of Keene, and this is the fully loaded 2020 Toyota Corolla XSE. The 2020 Toyota Corolla XSE comes with some sporty performance specs, like a 169 horsepower 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, a dynamic shift continuously variable transmission, you get normal and sport driving modes, and you get up to 38 miles per gallon. Here on the exterior, we have high-grade LED headlights with daytime running light accent lighting. We have 18-inch machined alloy wheels with dark gray painted accents. We have the multi-function in-key remote keyless entry system with remote start. You get a powered tilt slide moonroof with a sliding sunshade, and you have over 13 cubic feet of cargo space. Here on the interior, we have an 8-inch touchscreen with advanced voice recognition and hands-free phone capability. We have Bluetooth wireless technology. We are Siri eyes-free, Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa, and Scout GPS Link compatible. You also get the integrated backup camera with your projected path. And ask your dealer about the available premium audio system with 9 JBL speakers, and you get the Remote Connect phone app. The 2020 Toyota Corolla XSE has Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which gives you some great safety tech, like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. We have lane departure alert with steering assist. You get dynamic radar adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, among many other features. So, if you're thinking about the 2020 Toyota Corolla, the XSE has everything you could possibly want and need. So come on down to Toyota of Keene, 591 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at toyotakeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping.